You've prototyped your printed circuit board design. It blinks, it speaks, it's IoT-enabled, and it breathes fire. Well, maybe it doesn't breathe fire. Now it's time to put that awesome new project of yours into an enclosure.
Unfortunately, all you have is a generic project case that appeared to come straight out of the 80s. Not cool. Cowfish Studios is proud to introduce the Koki'o Project Case. The Koki'o Project Case is an open frame design which allows for panoramic viewing of your printed circuit board. That being said, the case also protects the PCB from harmful contact with hands, tools, and yes, even cats, but allows entry of air and moisture, which is great for applications which require environmental exposure, such as a humidity and temperature sensor. A set of PCB template libraries are available for most major EDA tools, such as Eagle, KiCad, and Altium Designer, directly out of the box. So, what makes the Koki'o Project Case so great? It's available in 4 versions: small, medium, large, and extra large. The chassis is made of durable 18-gauge steel and a black powder paint finish. The top plate is formed from clear acrylic and is also adjustable to accommodate expansion. It features optional keyhole slots for mounting. Finally, 3D models are also available for download and modification. This is extremely helpful if you're interested in laser cutting or 3D printing a top custom plate. With that out of the way, here's a quick time lapse of me assembling a buck converter breakout board that I recently designed into the Koki'o Project Case. So, the next time you design a PCB for your maker project, use one of our standard PCB templates and it's ready for an enclosure.